Some people ask, should I be worrying about lumbar support in my office chair? Well, first of all, I'm assuming you have some back pain if you're worrying about that. I think some lumbar support's good to have. The chair I'm sitting in has a lumbar support. As you may know, if you've watched my videos, I've already had 4 surgeries on my lumbar. So that is helpful. I don't know that you need to worry about it. I'd like you to be mindful of having some lumbar support. But what's more important is your posture and your core strength and maintaining good posture while working with a good workstation and making good lifestyle choices on nutrition, exercise, core strength, posture. If you do those things in general, it will be somewhat preventative. It's hard to beat your own genetics if you've got degenerative disc disease, but I'm there to help you through that. So we'll talk soon.